worse. It's so bad. I used a new pimple cream last night and I think it burnt my face. It's so bad. They weren't even like real pimples. I was just trying to be proactive because I could tell that they were like forming, and I just made them 57 times worse. So that's great. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bailey, and today I thought it would be really fun to do a very chill vlog, kind of day in the life type of thing, where I walk you guys through what I eat in a day. As a very lazy girl who I enjoy cooking, but I often just feel like I don't want to spend the time to like cook a super extravagant meal. Now that I've been living on my own for a while and I've been having to grocery shop and cook for myself to literally stay alive, it's been an adjustment, but not a crazy adjustment. And I just love watching what I eat in a day because it gives me so much inspiration for things that I can make myself. So welcome to this what I eat in a day / what I do in a day, because I have a feeling that this is just going to turn into a day in the life vlog. I also hope this gives you guys some easy, quick, healthy meal options that you can make yourself. Or if you're not looking for any inspiration, then I just hope you enjoy the entertainment of today's video. I need to figure out what's wrong with my face because this is actually concerning. Did I give myself like chemical burns? It says it's a spot treatment and I just used a tiny little bit on my little dots and now I have big dots. I maybe could have like cleaned up my kitchen for this video. Was not really planning ahead. Oh my gosh. I've been trying to drink less caffeine. Why do I feel like I have vocal fry right now? What's wrong with my voice? I've been trying to drink less caffeine because I kind of got to the point where I felt like caffeine was not even doing anything for me anymore. Caffeine is just not great, I don't think, and I don't want to become reliant on it, so I've been trying not to drink it as much, but something about my morning coffee, bro, like, I just need it. There's a few different cups that I love, but this lately has been my favorite, and it's the Dunkin' cold cups. This is the caramel one. I do not know the science behind this, but essentially it just gets, I don't get it. It doesn't melt the ice as much. It still brews hot, but it just, the second it touches the ice, it turns cold. It's like, it's honestly just been such a game changer. So I love these. I can never decide what cup I want to use. I think I'm just going to use this today. It's just so good. This has been my favorite coffee creamer lately. I've tried their different flavors, but the sweet cream is the best. Sometimes I'll froth it with my little electric frother if I'm feeling extra spicy, but honestly, like with it's just, when I'm drinking it through a straw and I'm gonna mix it anyways, it just feels pointless to froth it. It tastes the same. Hey guys, I drank my coffee, which is like step 1 of waking me up in the morning, and then step 2 is taking a shower. So I just took a body shower and now I am very hungry, so I'm going to make myself some avocado toast. But don't be fooled, this is not a basic avocado toast. This is the best avocado toast you will ever have. You need to try this. Damn it, I just smudged the lens. First is sourdough bread. It has to be sourdough, otherwise it just doesn't hit the same. I never go through my loaves quick enough, so I always end up freezing half of my loaf, and this one is frozen, but it really doesn't affect it. Okay, now, you're gonna need some lemon juice. Obviously, you're gonna need an avocado. You're gonna need a tomato, Parmesan cheese, balsamic glaze, salt and pepper, everything bagel seasoning, a little bit of crushed red pepper, and here's the secret ingredient. You want some Lowry's seasoned salt. I know this looks like a lot, but I promise you it's easy and it tastes so good. Like my mouth is literally salivating thinking about it. So first, I'm going to toast this bread. So unsafe. Don't recommend whatever that was. Okay, 2 pieces. So now you grab your avocado and you cut her in half. I only use half of an avocado for this. I feel like it's enough. I don't like too much avocado. Okay, usually this is a lot smoother of a process. What the heck? Okay, now you take your lemon juice and you do a few drops of that and you mash the avocado. I see some people put like whole avocado slices on the toast and then it's just like you're eating avocado full pieces on toast, and I just don't get that. Then you add some salt, some pepper, and some Lowry's, and a little bit of crushed red pepper. I like stuff spicy. This obviously isn't gonna make it like spicy, but I like when I can taste a little bit of crushed red pepper. And then you mix this up, and then you grab your tomato and you just cut a little bit off. You just cut this into tiny little cubes. You grab your plate and you put your toast on there. Now you scoop the avocado onto the toast and spread it out. Now you take a block of Parmesan cheese. It has to be a block. It has to be freshly grated. And you just grate some cheese on the top, and then you put the tomatoes on top. And then you drizzle some balsamic glaze. And then finally you top it with everything bagel seasoning. It looks so good. And here you have it. Look at this masterpiece. It is so delicious. I'm probably gonna sit on my couch and eat this, but I wanna take a first bite with you guys. It's the best avocado toast ever. Okay, I literally just finished my avocado toast, but I'm still hungry, so I think I'm gonna have some fruit. Right now I have pineapple and strawberries. I also have apples and oranges, but I'm not really feeling apples and oranges. I think I'm gonna have some pineapple and strawberries. I think I'm gonna make a little parfait with the strawberries. These strawberries look so good. I usually wash them all at once and like put them in a different container, but I don't have time for that. This is just some vanilla Greek low-fat yogurt. I need to do these dishes. I'm gonna do them after I eat this because they're just like pissing me off. I also put a little bit of raw honey on top just to give it some more sweetness. I also have pineapple rings and I bought these yesterday, but they were the only ones and they definitely were like super ripe when I got them. So I need to eat these probably today. Maybe tomorrow morning they'll still be good, but I'm gonna be eating a lot of these today. Here is the breakfast addition, my second breakfast, kind of, sort of, and pineapple. It's actually so bad. I eat majority of my meals on my couch. I told myself when I first moved in that I wasn't gonna be eating on my couch just because she's so light, white, and like soft fabric. I don't want to risk spilling on her and ruining her. I pay my own rent. I pay to live here so that I can do little things like this because this increases the quality of my life. Current watch, Plan Brie podcast.
You know what I feel so bad for? Oh, Hailey Bieber. Why? Because her weird husband is crying online.
Okay, I'm still hungry. That's another thing about me. I'm never really not hungry. I could literally sit here and eat forever, so I kind of just stop myself when I feel like I've had enough. But right now I'm going to do my dishes and then I have some work to do. I do really want to go on a walk because it is so beautiful out. Hi cuties, I didn't film it, but I did all of my dishes. I figured that's pretty boring and you don't need to see me doing my dishes. And then I also didn't film, but I sat down and I was doing some work on my computer for about an hour. And then I decided to put some makeup on and get ready just because whatever I did to my face last night was making me feel a little bit insecure. I had a lot of red marks on my face and I'm a little bit concerned about that, but I think that it'll be fine. I also put on a little active fit. I already had this tank top on, but I put leggings and tennis shoes on and I think I'm going to go for a walk / run. I haven't ran in so long, but I just am like craving a run. So yeah, we're just gonna get outside, be in the sun for a little bit, and then I have to come back inside and do some more work. I also will probably make my lunch right after this walk. So yeah, I'm excited. Here's the fit. It's literally so nice outside. I love it. Don't remember the last time I was out in a tank top and felt comfortable. I'm so out of shape. This is good though. This is good for me. Guys, I can run for like 3 minutes at a time and then I have to take a break. But it's better than nothing. It's also so beautiful. Okay, not really. All the trees are still dead and this town is not super cute, but better than being inside. Look at all the babies. Guys are so cute. Oh my God, he's hissing at me. Oh, did he tell me to f off? I think so. He said, keep walking. Honestly, I'm proud of myself. I thinks English. I went a lot farther than I was planning to. Like, I really covered a lot of ground and I probably ran for like 45% of it, maybe 40. I don't know, but I ran a decent amount. I thought I was gonna get out there and run for like 3 minutes and then like literally walk the rest of the way. But pretty much the whole first half I was running and then I walked for a while and then I ran for like the last 2 blocks home. And I'm tired, but I feel really good about myself. So that's the goal. I'm gonna have some kombucha while I make my lunch. I can't decide if I want to do a Caesar salad or if I want to do lettuce wraps, like chicken lettuce wraps. I was planning on doing lettuce wraps, but honestly a salad just sounds so fire right now. This is the kombucha that I've been buying in these big bottles. It's like the Synergy brand, but I heard that you're not supposed to drink the same kombucha every single time. So there's like this brand and then another one that I can find in like a big bottle that I buy. Like I said in the beginning, I've been trying to like eat healthier and like focus on my nutrients and just like take better care care of myself. I have like new vitamins and supplements. Why can I not speak? Supplements that I've been taking, and then pre and probiotics. Like, I have just been trying to treat my body better because I probably am not the best to it or haven't been in the past. And in this video, like, I'm probably eating like pretty healthy, but also you guys aren't saying like when I randomly go to bed. Dude, I quit. When I randomly go to Taco Bell at like midnight for no reason, and it's like a Tuesday night and I'm all alone, and then I drive because I'm craving Taco Bell so bad. I do that, it's perfectly fine. I think everything in moderation, but I've been trying to like focus on little things like my gut health and kombucha, and it's just supposed to be really good for you. So yeah, what glass do I want? Oh my God. Oh. It's so hard to hold the bottle. I'm not like weak, it's just really wet and slippery. Oh, that's what she said. Glass of kombucha. I've decided on a salad, but I have like the weirdest stuff here that I also need to eat up before it goes bad. Like, I have some peppers and some broccoli. I don't really want to eat raw broccoli, so I think I'm gonna steam it and put some cheese on it because I love cheesy broccoli. I keep forgetting that I'm like supposed to be showing you guys how I'm making it and stuff, and then I set up my camera in the wrong spot and you just cannot see at all what I'm doing. Also, please don't comment on my hair. It was already greasy and then I was sweating outside, so she is just like not cute right now. My favorite way to make salad lettuce is to cut it into really thin strips. I like getting these like big romaine things. I don't know why, I just love eating it super small. I don't want a little more. Now here is the secret ingredient. Here is the step that you can't miss. Pour your lettuce into your bowl and you pop her in the freezer for like 7 minutes and you just let her sit and freeze. Get some sharp cheddar, put it in there. Sorry guys, this is like the most horrible lighting and angle I think that exists in my apartment. Salt and pepper it. And then honestly, just throw whatever seasonings you like. I'm adding some Lowry's. I don't even know how to say it, Lowry's. I think some onion powder could be good in there. And then I'm gonna grate some Parmesan as well. Girl, I love cheese. And then you just cover that up and let it sit on low until the cheese melts. I'm gonna put some Parmesan in my salad. You guys can't tell I love Parmesan. I would put it on every single thing if I could, and honestly I do. Literally my dad and my brother would make fun of me all the time because there was not a single day where the cheese grater was not dirty, which means that I was eating Parmesan on something every single day. Now that I'm looking at it, I feel like this salad will be better with ranch. Please comment down below your guys' favorite ranch. I know people love Hidden Valley. I truthfully do not like Hidden Valley. I don't think it's bad, but I also just don't think it's good. Should I show you guys before I ruin it with the dressing? I mean, I already kind of ruined it with the entire block of cheese on top. All right, here's my lunch. I know it does not look like the most appetizing thing ever, but I know that this salad is gonna hit. Also, my broccoli's gonna hit. I know it looks like a pile of mush, but I promise you it's so good. Since there's no chicken or meat in the salad, I'm gonna drink this Boost protein shake. My sink is already pissing me off. This has 20 grams of protein, so if you struggle getting protein in, I definitely recommend these, and they taste like chocolate milk. They're so good. I'm probably gonna go over to my couch and eat, but I wanna try a piece of broccoli for you. Oh, hot. So freaking delicious. I need to mix this salad. It's like overflowing. Oh my gosh, I forgot croutons. I'll put some on in a sec. Delish. All right guys, my lunch is gone. It's low-key like 4 p.m. right now. I always have late food schedule. It's like probably not good. Okay guys, it's time for me to sit down and do some more work. I was doing stuff for like an hour today, but I oftentimes screw myself over by having the ability to create my own work schedule because I don't want to work when the sun is up, which is a complete blessing that I have, that I'm able to pick and choose when I work. But since I never want to get anything done like while the sun is up, I always resort to doing my work at night, which works and it's fine, but then I leave myself no time to like hang out with my boyfriend because he works all day and then he wants to hang out at night, and it's like I should have been working all day if you want to hang out now. Currently at 4:38, and I guess I will just talk to you. I'll catch up with you whenever I'm done editing, and maybe it's time to make dinner. I don't know. It's 9:13 p.m. and I did not intend on this happening. I thought probably 7:38 at the latest for dinner, but I just got so much work done, so I'm not gonna complain. And also I didn't get hungry until now, so I just feel like whatever. I also don't go to bed until like 1, 2 a.m., which I need to fix a lot of things in my life, but that's not what this video is about. I think I'm gonna make some salmon for dinner just because it sounds really freaking good and I have salmon. It's also so easy and so fast, and it's not a lot of food. Like whenever I make this, unless I have mashed potatoes, then it's like a full meal. But I don't have any mashed potatoes, so I'm just gonna be making green beans and salmon, and I think it's a nice little meal. This is literally... This is the salmon that I get. It is by the grocery store brand Meijer. I don't know if you have a Meijer near you. If you do, then get this freaking salmon if you like salmon, because it's so good. It's pre-seasoned, pre-marinated, so it's always so tasty, and it like eliminates you having to do some work. But if you can't find this, they use salt, garlic, black pepper, thyme, oregano, cayenne, and paprika. I am missing my favorite sauce that I usually put on it. The reason I'm missing it is because it's at my dad's house and I didn't bring it over here, and I never bought myself any, and I haven't made salmon since I have lived here. Boiling some water for my green beans. I know some people bake green beans and whatever, but I just like to boil them. It's easier. Okay, so for additional flavor and seasoning, I'm gonna put some teriyaki sauce, and then this is sweet chili sauce and a little bit of honey, just a dash. I'm also gonna add a little sriracha, some more pepper. Oh, lemon juice. I always put lemon juice. I like to put it around the pan and on top for like aromas. I don't know, okay? I'm gonna wait for this to be preheated to 450, and then I'm gonna pop it in for 12 minutes and then move it up to the top rack and broil it for about 2 to 3 minutes to like crisp the top up. And then as far as the green beans, I'm gonna wait till the water's boiling, throw them in, wait till they're soft, and then drain them and add butter, garlic, and seasoning. This is such a skinny piece of salmon. Usually they cut them vertically, not horizontally. Or no, they cut them horizontally, not vertically. It's just a long strip of salmon. It's kind of funny. Here we have her. I'm gonna eat her on the couch because I'm watching the Bucks game. Usually she's paired with a mashed potato just to like add something, but like I said, I don't have any. But it still looks so delicious in my opinion, and can't wait. The lighting in here right now is atrocious, but let's try the first bite. It's not as good as it normally is because like I said, I'm missing my favorite sauce, and it literally creates like the perfect glaze on top, and then when I broil it, it like crisps up way more than this whatever I put on it did. So I'm a little sad, but also it's still really good. Let's try a green bean. These ones have so much cheese on them. Delicious. This meal always hits. I finished my food and now I'm craving something sweet. I have Oreos. Oreos and milk always hit, but I think my milk might be expired. I need WD-40 for this fridge. It is so squeaky. I need to figure out if my milk's expired though. Oh, okay. The last day to drink it is today. I'm gonna have an Oreo or 7. I like making them soggy. I know there's like mixed opinions if you just like dip it in quick and like leave it crunchy. I like a soggy Oreo. I feel like the quality and the effort of this video has dramatically decreased since earlier today. So good, so good. Don't mind the way that I look. It's like midnight right now. Actually, oh, it's 12:46. This is so terrifying. This is literally the reality of this. I should not be allowed to buy these chips anymore. It's so bad. It's like my kryptonite. If they're in my house, I'll eat them. I've had 3 of these bags in the last 2 days. These are so good. These might be my favorite food, I'm not gonna lie. I hate to end the video like this, but this is everything that I will be eating today. Hopefully I don't get the urge to go and get my last bag of these after I finish one. No, I feel like one's gotta be enough. Also, I need to go to bed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love y'all. Just know that you are so freaking beautiful just the way you are. And I hope that this video gave you guys some little food inspiration, some meal inspiration. If you wanna see more of these, I have so many good recipes just like stacked up in my head. I've been gaslighting this out of my boyfriend recently. He thinks I am an incredible cook. I don't think I'm necessarily a bad cook, but I also have a lot of history of completely screwing up recipes, like literally following a step-by-step guide on how to make something and it turns out terrible. That used to happen to me all the time, but recently I have been finding really easy, good recipes, and I have so many good things that I've been making for myself and then also my boyfriend, and he thinks that I know how to chef it up. So if you want more easy, good recipes, I will make more of these videos. I think it was honestly really fun. Also, if you're following me on TikTok, or you would consider following me on TikTok and you would want me to do like food related stuff like this, but just, you know, short form, comment down below and let me know if I should start doing like cooking and like recipes and stuff on my TikTok. Love you guys. Subscribe, turn on your post notifications. This video ended so sad. Love you. Bye bye.